Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer at home easily. First, gather your essential equipment, including a 5-gallon fermenter, an airlock, and a large brewing pot. Thoroughly sanitize everything that will touch your beer to prevent unwanted flavors. Starting with a quality beer kit simplifies the process, providing pre-measured ingredients and clear instructions for beginners. This foundational step ensures a smooth and successful brewing journey. Next, you'll begin the brewing process. Steep your specialty grains in hot water, then remove them and add your malt extract, dissolving it completely. Bring this mixture, now called wort, to a rolling boil for 60 minutes, adding hops according to your recipe for bitterness and aroma. After the boil, rapidly cool the wort to around 70 degrees Fahrenheit using an immersion chiller or an ice bath. This quick cooling is crucial. Once your wort is cooled, it's time for fermentation. Transfer the wort to your sanitized fermenter and pitch your yeast, which will convert sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Seal the fermenter with an airlock and let it ferment for 1 to 2 weeks at a consistent temperature, typically between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. After fermentation, you can bottle or keg your beer, adding a small amount of priming sugar for natural carbonation. Finally, the most rewarding part, enjoying your homemade beer. If you bottled, allow your beer to condition for 2 to 3 weeks at room temperature. This period allows the carbonation to develop and flavors to mature, resulting in a smoother, more balanced taste. Store your finished bottles or keg in a cool, dark place. Now, pour yourself a glass and savor the fruits of your labor, sharing your delicious creation with others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.